Hello everyone!
Hey again.
So we're here now and we're going to talk to you guys about pricing. So there's going to be a lot more information further in the course about how to more price your items. The point of this is to educate you about the costs associated with selling things on eBay, right?
Okay.
So what costs do we have? We have an eBay fee, that's 10 or 9%.
Right, so a final
Yeah, final value fee is what they're referred to as.
where they charge you a percentage, 9% if you have a store, 10% if you don't have a store of the monetary value that you sold the item for. There's also a PayPal fee.
Yeah, and this is going to be different depending on if the fee is paid by somebody within the US versus internationally. If it's within the US, the fee is 2.9%, and then there's a 30-cent transaction fee on top of that. Whereas if you're overseas, don't quote me on this, but it's something like 4.4%. It's noticeably higher if you're an international purchaser versus a domestic purchaser.
And there's also a merchant fee, which is 2.35%, I think.
I don't think they do that program anymore. Yeah, because PayPal used to offer a program where, based on the amount of transactions and the dollar value of your transactions, you could reduce that fee per transaction. But I believe that they've actually gotten rid of that, and now it's a set fee. But maybe I'm wrong. But as far as I know, that's my current understanding.
And then there is insertion fee.
Yeah, so eBay charges an insertion fee for every single listing that you have. And this is something that I know a lot about because I have 80,000 listings. So I pay eBay about $4,000 in insertion fees. So when you're posting on eBay, you pretty much have 3 insertion fees. And this is something that I think we'll get more into detail about further on in the course because I need to explain store subscriptions and how this works. But the way that you can think about it is that you pay a monthly fee to eBay, and then that lowers the insertion fee that you pay per listing. So at first it's 30 cents, but you have the ability to lower it to 5 cents.
Okay, and so generally in this whole pricing idea is just to get you to understand there are different fees involved in selling items on eBay. So generally speaking, the price that you price your items on eBay at no less than 20% more than the cost of the item from the supplier. And I know some of you guys would be thinking, so why would someone buy this item from me for such a higher price on eBay than it is on Walmart or Amazon or these other suppliers? And the bottom line is this. We are selling within the eBay marketplace, right? You have to think about it. It's a closed market space. eBay's job is to market eBay as a platform where you buy from other people. So a lot of people simply shop on eBay. Some people simply shop at Walmart. Some people simply shop on Target for whatever the reason. The reasons can range from they simply have money in their PayPal account, or they want to feel like they're buying from other people.
They want to get a feedback on their eBay account. They like seeing their eBay account grow because they're buying things on eBay. So they'll pay more for an item on eBay instead of going to another platform and buying it.
And a lot of these people don't do the research. A lot of these people are simply people that shop on eBay. So they search within the marketplace on eBay and make a purchase. So the pricing is, in my opinion, my strategy in pricing is I simply worry about the pricing within the eBay marketplace. I don't worry and think too much about anything outside of there because I'm simply competing against other sellers within this closed space.
Yeah. And so as Mark said earlier, 20% more than, say that you're selling an item, you need to sell it for 20% more than what it costs, and that's the kind of break-even point. In some situations, you can earn profit there, but it's unlikely unless you've kind of established yourself. In most situations, a kind of standard in the dropshipping industry is 1.4. So that's a 40% increase, and that will mean that you're profitable even if there's kind of a repricing issue and the price goes up a tiny bit and you have to ship it to a state like New York where there's high sales tax.
And don't run away from this video and use what we talk about pricing to make your pricing strategy, right? You have to finish the course and go into a lot of the more detailed videos on the different strategies of choosing items, of pricing items, and that type of thing. But this video is to simply give you an overall view of what pricing is and how the different things involved in pricing.
Yeah, we just want you guys to know that you will be paying fees for the items that you sell. So you cannot sell an item for the same price that it costs because you will lose money.
Right. So yeah. So I
Cool.
think that's
Yeah,
it
no,
for
that's
this
good.
video.
Perfect.
See you in the next video.
Ciao.
And look for the strategies that we do in the further videos about finding items, selling, pricing, and so on.